So I've got some information about the upcoming RTX 3060 graphics card, and this video might be the one you need to watch if you're waiting for that too. Cause hey, you're not alone, even I cannot buy a RTX 3070 or 3080 right now. So let's cut it off and start talking. What is up gamers, my name is Priyam and welcome to this channel where we talk about gaming stuff and more gaming stuff, so make sure that you subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, please check out my other channel too, which is called Pre-Plays. I'm trying to do daily live streams there. So a couple days back I upgraded my 7-year-old PC and basically made a video on it, and if you have seen it, then you know that I did not upgrade my GPU, and the reason there was simple: waiting for something better. And the RTX 30 series is exactly what I'm talking about. And exactly because of that, I'm still using my GTX 1050 where I could have upgraded to 2060, because I personally think that waiting for 3060 is gonna be worth it, and you'll know that in just a second. So if you are in the same case like me, like you don't want to invest way too much money into 3070 or 3080 and you just want to do some casual 1080p gaming, then keep watching, because we are about to get 3060 and the performance of this thing is gonna shock you. But before that, I wanna show you an image that was possibly taken in some conference where they were talking about the Nvidia GPUs. So this image was posted on the Baidu forums and was taken down. And this is the internet, everyone. People take screenshots. And that's exactly what 9550PRO did. Now that clearly looks like some roadmap, and in there you can see RTX 3060. Now 3060 was already confirmed. I mean, nobody has talked about it yet officially, but it is, and it's kind of obvious. And that is why I'm not surprised with that being there. What surprises me is that where 3060 is placed on the roadmap. As you can clearly see that it touches RTX 2080, and that's because RTX 2080 was the top in the previous Nvidia lineup, except for Titan obviously. And that having the same performance as 3060, which might be the base model of the current Nvidia lineup if 3050 doesn't come out, sounds insane to me. But looks like we're gonna have to wait and see. Now there is no official confirmation about the VRAM inside this thing, but according to many speculations, it should be 6GB of GDDR6. And this to me looks like it can easily handle 4K. Lastly, about the pricing of this thing, we don't know a thing yet, but I personally think that it should cost around $499 to $399 in the US. Actually, I think it should be $399. And did I say lastly before? Anyway, lastly, let's talk about the release date of this thing, like the potential release date. Again, my personal opinion here is that this one should be the one that Nvidia brings up to compete with the latest gen consoles, because the pricing of this thing and for the consoles are similar. So maybe they will announce this thing in November or early 2021. We're gonna have to wait. And as soon as I get to know anything, I'll let you know, so make sure that you subscribe if you still have not, and stay tuned. Turn on that bell notification thing, and also make sure to follow me on Twitter, join our Discord, follow me on Instagram, links in the description for everything. And that is it, everyone. Make sure to leave a like before going if you're still watching, and comment down below your opinions on this GPU, and also check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.